Time for better health now with Ashley Brodeur at Active Lifestyle Fitness, continuing once again our Moms to Be series. This time we're focusing on stretching in any stage of pregnancy, but we don't want to overstretch. Is that right?
That's correct. So when you're pregnant, you have hormones going through your body that kind of help to relax and lengthen a lot of the ligaments to prepare for birth. So you want to make sure when you're stretching, you're just stretching enough just to alleviate any discomfort, but not overly stretching, like no dramatic lengthening. If you're already doing a yoga type program, it's probably fine to continue doing that as long as you have doctor's approval. But don't start any really strong stretching programs at that time, I guess is the basic thing. But a lot of times women get a lot of discomfort in their low back and their glutes as they get further along with pregnancy. So we're going to do a few stretches today just to kind of alleviate the back and the glute pain.
Focus on that. And once again, things you can do at home.
Yes, absolutely. So if you have some kind of a pole, column, anything in your house or at work, you can grab onto the sides of the pole and then just lean back and dig through your heels to stretch and lengthen the sides of the back down through the hips. And then if you want, if you can twist slightly, look underneath your arm and twist and try to open up the side of the back toward the ceiling. That's going to get the quadratus lumborum, which is down toward the lower part of the back, which is often cause for discomfort for a lot of people with low back pain, not just pregnant women. So then come back to the center and then slowly roll back up again. So that's a good one to kind of get the whole length down the sides of the back. So sometimes you just cramp all the way up. So,
it affects everything.
So next we're going to do a figure 4 glute stretch, right, for the sides of the hips and the glutes. So you can hold on, if you want to do the standing, you can do the standing. And you're going to put your ankle on your knee here and then just sink down, pressing this knee open here. Do you feel that stretch in the side of the hip and the glute there?
And we should mention it's probably best to have a wall nearby.
So if you're doing the standing, hold on to something. You can also do this sitting in a chair. So if you have a desk job and you want to prop your leg up here, push this knee down, you can stretch out. You can do it sitting on the floor or laying on the floor as well. So any of those positions, whatever you feel, are really, it alleviates the pain in there, is helpful. So that's a great one for the glute stretch to kind of open up there. And then hamstrings? Hamstrings, we're going to take our feet about hip width apart, legs stay nice and straight. We're going to keep the back nice and flat, pinch a quarter between the shoulder blades, and we're just going to come forward, stretching out. You should feel it more in the back of the legs there. So important to note that if you don't focus on keeping the back flat and pinching, I use that analogy of pinching a quarter, if you start to round your back, then you start not stretching the hamstrings, you start stretching more of the back. So it's important to keep a nice straight posture there for that kind of a stretch. So that will help to kind of open up the backs of the legs if that starts to get tight as well.
And anything else we should focus on in general? How often we should be doing this?
Just do the stretching if you really have discomfort. Like I said, you don't want to overdo it, but if you have that discomfort, add in some of the strengthening exercise that we've done. Do some of the stretches, and that should really help to kind of get you through the 9 months and help you have a strong and healthy delivery.
And where can we go back and get all of these exercises?
You can check us out, activelifestylefitness.com. All of our instructors are very well versed in pregnancy and pregnant women, so come check us out. We can certainly help you out.
It's good stuff. All right, thanks so much, Ashley.
Thank you.